Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. You might feel it's a bit different because I got my old setup, the empty helmet, mainly because I kind of lost a screw which is needed for the fitment of my camera on my AGV. I'll go home and get a new screw or something. Today I'm gonna get my Zx10r serviced. Actually, there's a battery issue, so I'm gonna get that checked, and also gonna get a full service of the bike, see how much it costs. I won't be able to film inside because they don't allow it anymore in the Kawasaki service center. I can already feel the weight of the helmet on my neck. I'll try to keep the video as minimal as possible because I have only one battery. I didn't plan this, I just decided last minute that I wanted to get my bike serviced. And I don't understand why service centers don't let people look at what they're doing to the bike. I don't see why that's not an option anymore. I mean, it's your bike, so what's the problem in looking at what they're doing to it? But we'll definitely see the bill, even if we can't see what they've done. If they've done it or not, we'll still see the bill, all the things that they claim to have done. Apparently, see, that's the problem. We need to see what they're doing so that we know the bill is legit, and trust the service center and not find some secondary mechanic to do stuff for our bikes. So I was in the traffic lane for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh my god. Why would you suddenly turn off? I can feel a lot of heat. It's the first time I'm feeling so much heat radiating from the bike. It's annoying. Oh my god. If I had a Ducati, yeah, I would have been deep fried. Definitely. Okay, a good amount of freedom. Yeah. Oh, my neck. It's been a while since I put this helmet on. Maybe a year or so, not sure, but damn, it's hurting my neck. Not a year, no, definitely not a year. Probably somewhere around, not sure, few months. Yeah, few months. Okay. Oof, this has been one hell of a hectic 107 degrees Celsius. Hell no. That is bad. Seems like they're getting a bike out too. Alright guys, we're going home now, and yeah, it took a lot of time because I was late. So next time when we're gonna take my Z650 for a service, I'll make sure to go very early. It's like 5 p.m. right now, so yeah, very late. The bike is serviced, and the battery issue, they told they have charged the battery. I should just check if the battery is fine. If it's not, then they'll replace the battery next time I come here. I think Z650 is gonna cost around 6 or 7k. We'll see. I don't know, but yeah. So that's the service. Unfortunately, I can't film inside because it's not allowed anymore. Right now, I want to get home as soon as possible because I didn't have my breakfast, I didn't have my lunch, so I'm starving, I'm tired. Alright, let's get this ND filter off. Got it off, and we'll be on our way. Let me see how much battery is left. Oh, plenty. We have plenty of battery. And this is how it looks without the ND filter. Basically just a sunglass for the camera. Alright, let's boogie. Hey guys, the battery died, so I'm just recording the next day at home. The bike is completely serviced. I cleaned it up a bit because I have to go to this BMW. There's a new showroom opening of BMW, so I'm going there. So just clean the bike up. Here's the service bill. I can't show the paper because it has my personal details and all that, so I can't show it. And the problem with my helmet was that I needed this screw, which I got now, and now we can put it back in and use this helmet again. The reason you see this box over here is because I thought of selling my DJI Osmo Action 4 for a new DJI Osmo Action 5. But then I thought that maybe wait a few more months and then maybe DJI will sponsor me. So let's see if it does. DJI, please sponsor me. And there's my Z650. My dad took his 350 to work. Still has its service pending. So the next bike will be the Z650. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe. Ride safe. Peace.